Welcome to Best Social Teacher. You have first visit my channel, subscribe, like and share. Instant bell icon notifications. Today we have discussion APDSC biology most important bits. First question is, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Options: A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is C. Mitochondria. Second question is, which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Options: A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B12, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Correct answer C. Vitamin C. Next question, which blood type is known as the universal donor? Options: A, B, AB, O. Correct answer D. Option O. O blood group, universal donor. Next question is, what is the basic unit of life? Options: A. Tissue, organ, cell, D. Option organ system. Correct option is C. Cell. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? Options: A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Spleen. Correct option B. Pancreas. Next question, which process do plants use to convert sunlight into food? A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Transpiration, D. Fermentation. Correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. Next question is, what is the main component of the plant cell wall? Options: A. Starch, B. Protein, C. Cellulose, D. Lipid. Correct answer C. Cellulose. Next question, which is the largest organ in the human body? Options: A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Skin, D. Lungs. Correct answer is C. Skin. What is the function of red blood cells? Options: to fight infections, B. to transport oxygen, C. to clot blood, D. to carry nutrients. Correct answer is B. to transport oxygen. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Options: vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, option C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Correct answer D. Vitamin D. The skin is exposed to sunlight is vitamin D. Next question, what is the genetic material in all living organisms? Options: A. RNA, B. DNA, C. protein, D. lipid. Correct answer B. DNA. What type of cells lack a nucleus? A. Animal cells, B. Plant cells, C. Prokaryotic cells, D. Eukaryotic cells. Answer is C. Prokaryotic cells. Next question, which process divides the cell nucleus in eukaryotic cells? Options: A. Meiosis, B. Binary fission, C. Mitosis, D. Budding. Correct answer is C. Mitosis. Next question, what is the most abundant gas in the Earth atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Correct option is C. Nitrogen. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Options: A. Solar energy, B. Wind energy, C. Coal, D. Biomass. Correct answer is C. Coal. Next question: what are the building blocks of proteins? Options: A. Nucleotides, B. Amino acids, C. Monosaccharides, D. Fatty acids. Correct answer is B. Amino acids. What organelles are known as the digestive system of the cell? Options: A. Ribosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi apparatus. Correct answer is B. Lysosomes. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Options: A. Root, B. Stem, C. Leaf, D. Flower. Correct answer is C. Leaf. What is the function of hemoglobin in the blood? Options: A. To transport carbon dioxide, B. To transport oxygen, C. To fight infections, D. To clot blood. Correct option is B. To transport oxygen. Which organism is used as a model in genetic studies? Options: A. Drosophila melanogaster, B. C. elegans, C. E. coli, D. Arabidopsis thalana plant. Correct answer is D. Drosophila melanogaster or fruit fly. Next question is: what is the term for species that has vanished from earth? A. Endangered, B. Extinct, C. Vulnerable, D. Rare. Correct option is D. Extinct. Next question is: which body system controls and coordinates body activities? Options: A. Respiratory system, B. Nervous system, C. Digestive system, D. Circulatory system. Answer B. Nervous system. Next question: what is the name of the protein that speeds up chemical reactions in the body? A. Hormone, B. Enzyme, C. Lipid, D. Carbohydrate. Correct answer is B. Enzyme. You have please visit first time, subscribe, like and share. Next question is: what is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis? A. Carotene, B. xanthophyll, C. Chlorophyll, D. anthocyanin. Correct answer is C. Chlorophyll. Next question: which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Options: A. Veins, B. arteries, C. capillaries, D. venules. Correct answer is arteries. Next question: what is the term for a harmless relationship where one organism benefits and the other is neither helped nor harmed? Options: A. mutualism, B. commensalism, C. parasitism, D. predation. Correct option B. commensalism. Next question: what disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Options: A. scurvy, B. beriberi, C. rickets, D. pellagra. Correct answer is C. rickets. Which organism can reproduce both sexually and asexually? Options: A. frog, B. amoeba, C. hydra, D. human. Correct option is C. hydra. What term describes the total genetic information in an organism? Options: A. genome, B. chromosome, C. gene, D. allele. Correct answer is C. Genome. What is the study of fungi called? Options A. Botany, B. Zoology, C. Mycology, D. Ecology. Correct answer is C. Mycology. Next question is, which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? A. Adrenaline, B. Insulin, C. Thyroxine, D. Cortisol. Correct answer is B. Insulin. What is the term for plant movement in response to light? A. Geotropism, B. Phototropism, C. Hydrotropism, D. Thigmotropism. Correct answer is B. Phototropism. Next question, what process do living organisms use to maintain a stable internal environment? Options A. Homeostasis, B. Metabolism, C. Digestion, D. Respiration. Correct answer is homeostasis. Next question, which cells are responsible for clotting blood? Options A. Red blood cells, B. White blood cells, C. Platelets, D. Plasma cells. Correct answer is C. Platelets. What is the functional unit of the kidney? A. Neuron, B. Nephron, C. Alveolus, D. Hepatocyte. Correct option is B. Nephron. What is the process of cell division that results in 4 daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes? A. Mitosis, B. Meiosis, C. Binary fission, D. budding. Correct answer is B. Meiosis. What is the main function of the large intestine? A. Digestion of proteins, B. Absorption of nutrients, C. Water absorption, D. Production of bile. Correct option is C. Water absorption. Which type of organism can make its own food? Options: heterotroph, B. Autotroph, C. Parasite, D. Decomposer. Correct answer is B. Autotroph. Next question, what is the term for the natural selection process proposed by Charles Darwin? A. Genetic drift, B. Mutation, C. Evolution, D. Speciation. Correct option is C. Evolution. Which structure in the cell contains the genetic material? Options: A. Nucleus, B. Cytoplasm, C. Mitochondria, D. Ribosome. Correct option is A. Nucleus. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning? Correct options: Options: A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla, C. Hippocampus, D. Hypothalamus. Correct option is C. Hippocampus. Which process in plants releases oxygen into the atmosphere? Options: A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Transpiration, D. Nitrogen fixation. Correct answer B. Photosynthesis. Which of the following is a parasitic plant? Options: A. Rose, B. Mango, C. Dodder, D. Tomato. Correct answer is C. Dodder. What type of immunity is developed after recovering from an infection? Options: A. Passive immunity, B. Active immunity, C. Innate immunity, D. Artificial immunity. Correct options B. Active immunity. Which element is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Options: A. Calcium, B. Potassium, C. Iron, D. Sodium. Correct answer is iron. C option correct answer. Thank you for watching.